In this video, see how a cozy home project was transformed with simple updates, a neutral palette, and a mix of antiques and art, proving style comes from thoughtful layering, not a big renovation. Taylor Hill Interior Design, based in South Carolina, is known for its ability to blend old and new elements, creating what she describes as soulful Southern eclectic aesthetics. Her work often involves high-end residential new construction and renovation projects, showcasing a deep understanding of construction science alongside her creative vision. In a specific home project featured in Southern Living, Taylor Hill tackled her own quirky 1950s low-country home in Charleston, South Carolina. Instead of a full-scale renovation, she opted for low-budget cosmetic upgrades. She primarily drenched the entire interior, including the concrete floors, in Sherwin-Williams Oyster White. This provided a neutral canvas for her to layer in character through her extensive collections of antiques, artwork, and furnishings. She has a particular love for storied items and enjoys mixing genres. She places European, American, and Asian pieces side by side to create interesting and unexpected combinations. For instance, in her dining room, she paired sleek vintage leather seats with a heavy antique wood table to achieve a slightly edgy yet not overly feminine feel. Her design philosophy emphasizes allowing the coolest stuff to shine, keeping most other elements neutral to let the furniture and collected treasures take center stage. Her approach demonstrates that a Southern cottage aesthetic can be achieved through thoughtful layering of beloved items and a strategic use of color. Even with a strong emphasis on white as a base, she creates a cohesive and deeply personal space. When designing a Southern cottage home project, Taylor Hill interior design often emphasizes a thoughtful blend of historical charm and modern livability. A prime example is her own 1950s low-country ranch in Charleston, which she lovingly refers to as the Hodgepodge House. Instead of undergoing a costly full-scale renovation of this character-filled property, she opted for cosmetic upgrades. She primarily applied Sherwin-Williams Oyster White to almost every surface, including the concrete floors.